So we'll start with two sample points, point A, and we'll just label it 2, -3, and point B, xy coordinates will be 1, 4. Okay, so to find the distance between these points, we're going to use this formula called the distance formula, where distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And you might see this written as delta x squared plus delta y squared. So now we can just start plugging things in, and I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2 just to kind of get a picture of what's going on. You don't have to do that though. So we've got 1 minus 2 squared plus 4 minus -3 squared. Now this might trick you up, but it's just 4 plus 3 squared. When you minus a negative, it's just addition. So now we can start simplifying everything. So we have -1 squared plus 7 squared. And this will reduce down. The -1 squared is just 1, and 7 squared is 49. So we have 1 plus 49, or the square root of 50, is our distance. Now, you can do a decimal approximation in your calculator where it comes out to 7.07. And to find the exact